Hey guys, my name is Charlie and I'm from Ulster.
What's up fam? My name's Ali and I'm from Ulster.
I'm just looking forward to seeing Ulster perform.
And I'm looking forward to see what other sisters got. So you better bring it on.
Let's go. I'll be Channing Tatum, mate.
And why?
Because he's like, he needs to play Skux. When he does that.
Hey, get us this. Oh, I'll probably be Beyonce. Because, you know, she can sing, she can dance. And yeah, I don't know.
You can't ski.
I can. Hit me a beat.
Hi guys, my name is Chris and I'm from Wassa.
Hey guys, my name is Sana and I'm also from Wassa as well.
Looking forward most to seeing how the other saucies are gonna come out with stuff.
I'm looking forward to all the funky moves and all the worship and fellowship that everyone will be doing together as a whole association. Let's go.
Every heart set apart just to be where you are.
Rather smell BO forever.
Sweat jam. Who wants to smell BO forever?
We'll never stop loving. Come on, let's break it tonight, play it, shake it.
Tala Palava, my name is Alana.
Tana Flubber, my name is the original.
And we're both from Ulster.
Here with you, our hearts will come alive.
I'm really looking forward to us getting our performance out of the way and then being able to sit back and enjoy everyone else's.
I'm just looking forward to meet other young students who are going to be praising the name of the Lord.
Come on, put your hands together. This is our time.
I think I'd go with invisibility just so I could be undercover.
I'll probably have speed. Just run around.
Oh, this is our time. This is our place.
Hello, my name is Ursula.
And my name is Alf.
And we're from
Woopsa.
This is our place. This is our moment to live.
Looking forward to finding Jesus.
I'm looking forward to the dances. It's been fun. We've got some fun dances. Extra toes.
Extra
Extra
toes.
toes.
Because you can hide that.
Yeah, you can't wear socks on your hands. Extra toes.
Christian Rally 2017.
Christian Rally 2017.
Christian Rally 2017.
Christian Rally 2017.
Let's go. Oh,
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.